Good morning, students. Today our topic is prime factorization by using factor tree method. Means today we will learn about factor tree method, how we can build factor tree of a given number by using prime factorization. So let us discuss. First of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of prime factorization, what it means. Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. Expressing a number as a product of prime numbers means when we write a number as a product of prime numbers is called prime factorization. You already know what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers having only two factors, 1 and itself. Means the number which are divisible by only 1 and itself. Okay, or called prime numbers. For example, 3, 11, okay, 13. These all are prime numbers. Why? Because these are divisible by only 1 and itself. Okay, it comes in table of 1 and 13. It comes in table of 1 and 3 and 1 and 11. So these all are prime numbers. So when we write a number as a product of these prime numbers, this is called prime factorization. Now we will discuss about factor tree method. For this, first of all we will revise what are factors, as we have already discussed what are factors. Let us discuss with the help of example. Suppose we want to find out factors of 24. So we can write it as a product of two numbers like 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, okay, and 24 into 1. So we can write 24 as a product of numbers like this. There are two pairs of number whose product is 24. 24 into 1, 12 into 2, all pairs gives product as 24. So these all are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These all are factors of 24 because 24 is divisible by all these numbers. 24 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these all are factors of 24. So we will use these factors in factor tree method for prime factorization. Okay, now let us discuss what is factor tree. What is factor tree method for finding prime factor of a given number? So we already discussed about factors, we already discussed about prime numbers, we already discussed about prime factorization. We use all these numbers in factor tree method. So let us learn the steps to build the factor tree for a given number. So we will discuss one by one. For example, I am discussing it with the help of example. Okay, suppose we are taking the number 60 and we want to write its prime factors by using factor tree method. Okay, so our first step is, first of all we will write this number as a product of two numbers. Okay, first number will be prime and other number will be composite, and we will draw the lines like this. And we will write here two factors which gives product as 60. One is prime and second is composite. Here we will write prime number and here we will write composite number. So we can write like this, 2 and 30. Okay, so first step was write two numbers which gives 60 as a product. One should be prime and second number should be composite. So 2 into 30 is equal to 60. Okay, now second step is tick the number which is prime or circle the number which is prime. So 2 is prime number. because it is divisible by 1 and 2 only. So this is prime number, so I have circled it. Okay, now 30 is composite number because it comes in table of 2, 3, 5, 6, etc. So this is a composite number. Now next step, third step, split the remaining composite number into again two numbers, which gives product as 30 in the same way. Okay, 30, and again one number here should be prime and other number should be composite. Okay, so write here two numbers. We can write 30, how? 2 into 15, we can write like this. Here is 2 is prime, so I have circled it, and 15 is composite number. Okay, so 2 is prime and 15 is composite. Again, in next step, again we will write 15 as a product of two numbers in which one should be prime and other should be composite, because 15 is composite number. How I can write like this? 3 into 5, because it doesn't come in table of 2, it comes in table of 3, so I have written here 3 into 5. Now last step, fourth step, is when we have only prime numbers, then we will stop factoring the number. Okay, when we have only all prime numbers remaining. Here you can see in this example, here are two numbers remaining, 3 and 5, and both are prime. Okay, so we will stop here and our prime factorization is complete. Now 3 is prime number, so we will circle it, and 5 is also prime number. So we will circle all prime numbers. Okay, so now we will write factors of 60. We have to write factors by prime factorization. So we will write all the numbers, prime numbers, which we have circled. Here we have circled 2, 2, 3 into 5. So these all are factors of 60 and all are prime numbers. So these are called prime factorization of a number because all numbers are prime. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and you can see the product of these factors gives 60. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60. So these all are factors of 60. Okay, let us discuss one more example in the same way. Suppose we have number 90 and we want to find prime factorization by using factor tree method. So first step was write product of two numbers as 90. One should be prime, other should be composite. So 2 here and 45. Okay, 90 comes in table 2, so we will divide 90 by 2. You can divide like this. Okay, 90 by 2, so quotient is 45. So 2 into 45 is 90. Now second step, circle the prime number. Okay, now 45 is a composite number. So what we will do, again we will write it as a product of two numbers like this. One should be prime and other should be composite. So write two factors. 45 comes in table of 3, not in 2, so we will divide it by 3. When we will divide 45 with 3, we will get here 15. Okay, when we divide 45 by 3, quotient is 15, so here 15. So you can see 3 into 15 gives 45 is the product, and one is prime and other is composite. So 3 is a prime number, so we will circle it. Okay, now again next step, again in the same way, 15 is composite number. Again write in at product of two numbers, 3 into 5. Okay, because it comes in table of 3, so we have divided. When we divide 15 by 3, so we will get 5. Now you can see 3 and 5 both are prime number, so circle both the numbers. Now we have two numbers remaining, both are prime number, so we will stop here factoring the number. Our prime factorization is complete. Okay, because all numbers are prime. Now we will write factors of given number, that is 90. We will write here factors of 90. Now we will write here factor of 90 how? by writing all the circle number, because all circle numbers are prime numbers. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18, 18 into 5 19. So these all are factors of 19 and all are prime numbers, that are all numbers are divisible by 1 and itself only. So these all are prime and these all are factor of 90. So this is prime factorization of 90 by using factor tree method. This is called prime factorization by factor tree method.